Facebook stock just reached an all-time high today, and it's all thanks to a new feature called Shops. This is going to be a game changer. Your conversion rates are going to explode with a seamless checkout experience. You won't even need to worry about adding the Facebook pixel. Payments are going to be a breeze. The stock market is taking this really well, and a lot of e-commerce shops should too. I'm going to be analyzing the opportunities as well as the pitfalls. Here's what makes Instagram and Facebook Shops different. Without Instagram Shops enabled, you can tap on a product in the photo to find out more info about it. Then you still have to click on View Website to be redirected to someone's website. It takes a long time to load and you still have to fill out the checkout process there. Now with Instagram Shops, you can tap a photo or go to the Shops tab, and what you'll see are these two pink gradient arrows next to a product. These let you know if you could buy the product on Instagram. So just add it to your bag and you can check out from there. To set this up, just go to Settings in your Instagram profile. Customers will also see a cool little shopping bag tab there. So in Settings, tap Business and then Sign up for shopping. Click Next. Then follow the steps to connect or set up a catalog. Instagram Shops and Facebook Shops are still being rolled out, and there's a few more steps to actually set up the payments part. But you want to make sure you have that catalog first, because it takes a while for Facebook to review and approve it. I'll share more steps and tips in the next video.